So a train requires 7 seconds to pass a pole, while it requires 25 seconds to cross a stationary train, which is 378 meters long. Okay, find the speed of the train. So the first case is stationary object, stationary pole. Okay, so what is the speed of the train? I don't even know the length of the train, so I need to know the length of the train as well. So length of the train is L. T is equals to, now when it is passing a pole, the pole doesn't have any length. Remember, the pole doesn't have any length, and also the pole is stationary. So when the train is passing the pole, what is the distance covered by the train? It is equals to the length of the train, that is L. What is, okay, it is equals to the length of the train, the distance covered by the train. So this is the platform, this is the pole, and the train is passing. So what is the distance covered by the train? Is equals to the length of the train. Okay, with respect to the pole I am saying, because the pole doesn't have any length. The pole is what looking at the train and it can see the entire length of the train. So the distance covered by the train with respect to the pole is L, divided by what is the time taken? 7. Sorry, the speed of the train is S. So S is L divided by 7. Okay. Now in case of,
স্যার, বলছি এটা কি 75.6 হবে?
correct, তোমাকে কনসেপ্ট বুঝিয়েছি তুমি আগে, তাই জন্য তুমি পেরে গেছো, ভেরি গুড। Stationary platform. Now when it comes to stationary platform, now see, here is the train and here is a platform. Now remember, platform is a lengthy object. Okay, platform is not a zero length object just like pole, it is a lengthy object. So in case when it is, when a train is crossing a lengthy object like platform, okay, so here we have a stationary train as the lengthy object. Okay, so there is another train standing over here, and this train is crossing the other train. At that time, the distance that is covered by the train is equal to the length of the train and the length of the stationary train, both of them. Do you get my point, Purijit? When the
Yes,
train
sir. Yes,
is
sir.
crossing a pole, the pole doesn't have any length. What is the length of the pole? 0.
Any length, right?
What is the length of the
0. Yeah.
train? L. So L plus 0 is L. But what is the length of this stationary
L.
train?
Okay.
It is given 378. And what is the length of this other train? That is L.
Yes,
So total length, distance covered is 3 plus 370. L plus 370 divided by the speed is still S. So S is equals to L plus 378 divided by what is the time? The time is 25. Okay. Now both of these speeds are
yes,
same.
sir.
So just equate them. Okay. This you can easily solve.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So the L is 187. I need to find out the speed, which is 187 by 7. Acha. This is coming in meter per second. Remember, because see the time is in seconds and the length is in meters, so
Yes,
meter
sir.
per second. We need to convert it to kilometer per hour, so 18 by 5. Okay, one big calculation is going to
Yes,
come.
sir.
So that calculation you have, I told you will have online calculator. So there you can do this. 370 রকম একটা ক্যালকুলেশন ভুল হয়েছে। ক্যালকুলেশন meter per second into 18 by 5. 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are and that is 75.6. You understand, Orijit? There is a long theory based on this. Okay, it is not just a directly
Okay,
sum.
okay,
I've explained the long theory, and there are various like various scenarios. Like when a train is crossing a man, here it is a pole, a stationary man. When the train is crossing the man, but the man is moving towards the train with a specific speed. Okay. Then there is a scenario when the train is
okay,
crossing a man, the man is moving in opposite direction with a specific speed. Then there is a scenario when the train is crossing a stationary platform, a stationary train, like this one we have over here, stationary train. Or when the train is crossing another train which is moving towards the first train with a specific speed. Then we have another scenario when when a given train is crossing another train which is moving in opposite direction. So all these four scenarios are there, which are all noted down in that PDF, step by step, along with the formula.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes or no, your sum was correct.